Namaskar. Welcome to our day 2 program. We start with the usual stretching. Sit down with the spreaded legs in front of you and drop the upper part of the body on your hands behind, and then push the feet forward and pull backward. Keep the legs relaxed. Push forward, pull backward, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, as much as possible. Do as per your possibility, and slowly it will be better. And then give a good rotation from the ankle. Keep rotating. One more time, and the in reverse direction. Keep rotating. Extremely good for the flexibility of the ankle. If you have lower back pain, so keep rotating the feet from the ankle, and then join both the feet together in front of you and hold by your both hands together and keep flapping both the knees towards the floor. You don't have to force that much as possible, just try that much. And how far it is, how far it is okay, but normally I recommend 3 fist, 1, 2, 3. This is a good place to have an optimized distance, and keep flapping. Extremely good for this hip joint to relax. So if the sound is okay, if the video is okay, please let me know if there is any issue with the videos or with the audios. And then spread one leg and fold the other leg. So I am spreading the uh, yes, all right, very good. So thank you very much for informing. So I am spreading the left leg and folding the right leg on the top of the left thigh and slowly pressing the knee towards the floor, and then hug your leg towards your chest. Press towards your floor and hug towards your chest. Press little bit and hug. Press and hug. Press little bit, as much as possible. Don't force too much. Press, hug. Last time. Press and hug. This time I am spreading the right leg and folding the left leg on the top of the right leg thigh. So, and then press little bit and hug towards your chest. Spread and hug. Spread. So this will actually eventually help you to do the Padmasana, the lotus position. So at the end of your 100 days, you will see that these small steps are giving you a long distance with enough potential. So, and this is actually half Padmasana, and then slowly the other leg will come on the top of the other, and then you will make it. But this is the starting point. So relax your hip and push the knee all the way to the floor. I have a long vision to take you a long way forward, but slowly, little by little, we will move. Don't worry. So, next, fingers. Stretch the fingers as much as possible and then squeeze. So, stretch and squeeze from the knuckle. Yes, not like fist, but with the knuckle. Stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch as much as possible. Yeah, and relax. Shake your fingers a little bit. So the people who are working in front of computer for a long time, and it helps to uh, to have a good blood circulation in the neck and shoulder, and then thumb inside, four other fingers on the top of it. Make a fist, join the fist together in front of you, and keep rotating from the wrist. Rotating the fist from the wrist. So when it comes to the front, try to touch the knuckles. These are the knuckles. Touch each other as much as possible and keep rotating to one direction. Again, extremely good for the shoulder pain, back pain, and good blood circulation in the upper part of the body to brain, and then reverse direction. So the small things actually can impact quite a lot if done correctly. And try to keep the hand and arm as straight as possible so that you get better stretch there. And then join all the five fingers together and place it in front, uh, in between the arm and the shoulder. Yeah, and then open the chest and inhale. So long deep inhale, bring the elbows back, raise up from the behind, and exhale and drop it from the front. And again inhale and exhale from the front. Inhale and exhale from the front. Inhale, exhale from the front. Inhale and exhale from the front. Inhale, raise up. This is extremely good for the shoulder pain, back pain, as well as increasing your lung size. So good for stress, releasing the stress, anxiety, and then reverse direction. So reverse direction, keep the elbows together in the front. Inhale, raise up and drop it from behind. Make a good circle and exhale and inhale and raise the elbow up and exhale, drop. Inhale, raise the elbow up from the front and drop it from behind. Inhale, up. Exhale, drop. If you have difficulty, please write me. I can explain if needed. Make a good circle and keep rotating. You can do it also during your work. No problem to do it after your food. Then relax your hand. Hold by opposite palm your arm and then exhale and drop it to one side behind your head and spine, and inhale neutral and exhale to the other side. Inhale neutral, exhale to the other side. Inhale neutral, exhale to the other side. Inhale neutral, exhale to the other side. Neutral, other side. Neutral, other side. Neutral. So if in the beginning it is difficult, hold your palm by opposite hand like handshake and keep doing it. No problem. So make it simple, and doing little by little is important. So if it doesn't go all the way, just go as much as it goes. So don't stretch too much. Little by little, in 100 days you will be all right. I guarantee you. That's my vision. So, and then erect your spine, stretch as much as possible, open the chest as much as possible, and then drop the head behind like a dead body head, like here, and then roll the head from one side of the shoulder to the other side, little by little. It can crack otherwise. If you have back pain, shoulder pain, stress, anxiety, extremely good. You can do it in even sitting position on the chair. So when it comes near the shoulder, shoulder has tendency to rise. So keep shoulder relaxed and let it fall. So it is not a rotation, it is a rolling motion, rolling the heavy head on the shoulder, rolling the heavy head on the shoulder. No rush, little by little, you can take your own time, like 1 millimeter by 1 millimeter. It will massage your every single nerve over there. Take your time, little by little. Okay, and relax. So it is the half circle, only from behind. Okay, you can do it also full circle, but I'll come over time. Okay, so if everybody is okay, so any trouble, anything need to be clarified, everything is all right. Yes, yes, all right. So um, volume. So let me double check the volume. So uh, is it okay? I can speak loudly. Is that is that okay? Or okay, I'll check the microphone. So, can you hear the tapping on the microphone? I'm trying to understand if it is using the microphone of the device or microphone on me. Is it okay? Tapping noise is coming. So otherwise, this is better. Is this better, or the previous one was better? Okay, so I remove the fur. All right, very good. So so we are done from the bottom to the top, and then the spine. So come in all four. So two hands and legs on the knee and on two palms, and then slowly exhale and bend your spine like a bow. The head will be going squeeze and the hip will also be squeezed. And inhale, raise your head, extend your hip up, upward, stretch outside and then up. And then exhale, squeeze your stomach and inhale, raise your head up and extend the hip outside and then rise. Okay, so that will actually help you to stretch the lower back of the spine. Inhale up and exhale, squeeze. Inhale up, look at the sky and exhale, squeeze. So in the beginning, people have trouble to extend the hip and bend the hip. They only look up and down. So that's all right. But if you can extend the hip a bit, that will add you extra benefit. Up 10 times each. All right. And then in from that position, just stretch your hand in the front and drop your head on the floor. Stay relaxed. Couple of breathe. All right. Then up and all right. So, and last is little bit relaxing. So lie down on the floor, left hand on the chest, right hand on the stomach, and deep inhale and deep exhale. Inhale, your belly will rise, and exhale, belly will drop, right hand will drop. Inhale, belly will rise with rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big belly. Yes, like Ganesh ji. And exhale and drop. 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze your stomach. Inhale, raise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your hand will rise and exhale, hand will fall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big belly and exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale everything. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. Your right hand will drop. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. Your belly will drop. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big belly and exhale. Belly will fall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big belly and exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your hand next to your body and normal breathe. This simple practice help you many things, from stress to reduce the weight, reduce the fat in your stomach, fatty liver, many things. Very simple, very easy, very effective. When you are ready, move your palm, your feet a bit, rotate to the right side and sit down when you are ready. Take your time and congratulate yourself for joining the day 2 program and continuing it. So I'm glad who made it today, and please keep practicing. The video will be saved. So if you want to practice another time, feel free to do so. See you tomorrow in the same time. Thank you very much.